Green Valley International School. Let us join hands to empower the future of nation.
Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes of Green Valley International School. In last video, our chapter number 4 was completed. Today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 5, shapes and patterns. In our day-to-day life, we are seeing many shapes. Can you tell me the shape of sun and moon? Round, right? So in this chapter we will learn something about shapes and patterns. Let's start. Basically there are two types of shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. First of all we will see plane shapes. Before going to start plane shapes, let's see. Here some basic shapes are given: rectangle, square, triangle and circle. All these shapes are called basic shapes because all other shapes derived from these shapes. Okay. Now let's see plane shapes. A closed two-dimensional figure is called a plane shape or a flat shape. What is a plane shape? Closed two-dimensional figure is called plane shape or flat shape. A rectangle, square, triangle and circle are examples of plane shapes. All these shapes are example of plane shapes. See, first one is a square. How many sides can you see in square? Count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these edges are called side, and at which point two sides are joining, it is called corner. See, a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the 4 sides are equal in length. So in square, all sides are equal in length. Okay. Next, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides are equal in length. See, what is the difference between square and rectangle? In square, all the sides are equal in length, but in rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. Only opposite sides. See here. This side and this side are equal in length, and these two sides are equal in length. And these are opposite sides. Okay. And what is the common in square and rectangle? That is, square is also 4 sides and rectangle has also 4 sides and 4 corners. But the only difference is about the length of sides. Okay. Next, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. How many sides does a triangle has? See, 3 sides and corner also 3. 1, 2 and 3. And this is this point where two sides are joining is called corner. Next, circle. A circle is a round shape. It has no sides and no corners. Okay. Circle has no sides and no corners. Circle को एक भी side भी नहीं होती और corner भी नहीं होता. Moon and sun दोनों कैसे हैं shape में? Round. Okay. Now let's solve exercise number 5.1. See, here what you have to do, you have to color the squares in blue and the rectangles in red. Here we have given square and rectangle in mix, and you have to classify which shape are square and which shapes are rectangle, and you have to color according to shapes. You have to color blue in square and you have to color red in rectangle. See, so how will you identify? See, in square all the 4 sides are equal in length, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal in length. So see, Here you can see all the sides are equal in length. So in this shape we will color blue. Here also we will color blue. Rest all the shapes are of rectangle. So we will color red in all these shapes. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these shapes are rectangle because in these shapes opposite sides are equal in length. And in this 1, 2 and 3 we will color blue because its shape is square. Because all the sides of square are equal. Okay. So you have to complete this in your homework. Okay students. Next question. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. By seeing this figure we have to fill up these blanks. Okay. Question A. This figure is blank. Can you tell me which is this figure? Yes, square. So here we will write square. You have to also learn the spelling of square. What is the spelling of square? S-Q-U-A-R-E. It has blank sides. How many sides does a square has? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has blank corners. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 corners. Are all its sides equal? Can you tell me that in square are all sides equal? Yes. This we have learned, right? So here we will write yes. Now next question, question B. This figure is blank. Can you tell me which is this figure? Rectangle, right? You have to also learn the spelling of shapes. What is the spelling of rectangle? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, angle. Okay. It has blank sides. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 sides. It has blank corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. Are all its sides equal? No. This we have learned here. See. In square, all the 4 sides are equal in length. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in length. That means all the sides are not equal in length. Okay. So here we will write no. Question C. This figure is blank. Which is this figure? Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Okay. It has blank sides. 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 sides. Corner 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 corners. Okay, so students, you have to learn all these fill-ups and you have to remember all this topic. Now question number 3. Color the square in this set of shapes. What you have to do here, you have to find out square and color it. Here many shapes are given but you have to color only in square. All these shapes are not square because, can you tell me, because all the sides of these shapes are not equal in length. Only this one is square. Okay, so you will color only in this shape. All these shapes are not square. Okay, now question number 4. Find the number of rectangles in this set of shapes and color them. Here you have to find out rectangles. In previous exercise, we was finding square. Here you have to find out rectangle. And you have to color them. Okay. Here many shapes are given. But you have to color only in the rectangles. Only in rectangles. See. 1 and 2. These 2 are rectangle. Rest of the shapes are not rectangle, so we will not color on it. Okay. Here exercise number 5.1 is complete, students. See, here one activity is given. You can draw this picture by using different shapes. See, here many rounds and rectangles are used for making flower. Here there is one man in this picture, but by using shapes, cartoon of man. Okay, so you can do this in your chart paper. This is not compulsory, but you have to complete exercise number 5.1 in your homework. Okay students, thank you.